Hi. Long time no see.
Long time no see. How are you?
Good.
Good?
And
Yeah.
you?
And I'm fine. Yeah. Yeah.
You get up early this morning.
Yeah. I couldn't sleep because I actually it's normal because when go to the travel, I always like couldn't sleep. So how many years you live to Tokyo? Graduate maybe? Oh.
You know the COVID?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Right after our graduation,
Yeah.
COVID spread.
Yeah.
So I couldn't move to Tokyo because of COVID.
Oh yeah. So you work in your home?
Did you get COVID?
Yeah. One time.
One time.
I get COVID one time. Maybe it was Omicron.
Yeah, you me too.
Omicron. Oh,
Last year I got Omicron.
Same. Same. So it's been 5 years, right? Maybe. So how long last time? Crazy. Maybe it was 2019. I remember 2019.
Do you have any specific ramen restaurant you want to visit?
I should check it. But almost one is really good, no? Almost.
I don't know. I don't really go to the restaurant, ramen restaurant.
Really?
Okay. For me, it's difficult to go there by myself. Only me.
Okay.
There are a lot of men.
Okay.
Nowadays, it's normal to go there. I think I never been to ramen restaurant by myself in Tokyo.
Really? Yeah.
I'm with my friends.
Yeah.
I can go easily. I hesitate.
What's this?
Unboxing.
Unboxing now?
Unboxing. Handkerchief.
No table?
No. Your hand.
Hands.
When you go to the toilet.
At the toilet?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. It's a food.
Yes, it's ramen.
Thank you so much.
You don't bring handkerchief
Yeah.
usually.
I can't. Usually, of course, I cannot use to. Now I can like this.
Not for fashion.
I'm joking. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No. Oh, where is she come from? Where did you came from?
Yeah.
Oh, we missed you.
Oh, you guys missed.
Yeah, I miss.
Where is Lucy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, she's there.
Oh. You know?
Oh, yes.
COVID happened in between.
You know Machiko is yeah.
What?
No. Machiko have a
What?
after you know that. Maybe after.
Okay.
Yeah. Really surprise things we have.
Not that surprise.
No, it's surprise.
Surprise, like good food.
Yeah, that's also.
I have
Yeah.
3 plans
Oh, wow.
on the date, and I haven't booked any ticket yet.
Yeah.
And the first one is Asakusa, and the second one is Shibuya, and the third one is cruise.
Cruise like a batomushu.
Night.
Like Batomushu.
And 8 p.m. So it's
Sorry.
it's
8:30
gonna be
PM.
like romantic one. And when I see the description, there were some option to give roses,
Yeah.
alcohol.
Yeah.
And but we don't book that optional one.
You can
But
check. You can check.
if we go there, maybe some people say, "Will you marry?"
Japan is like Spain for us, right?
Right.
No?
Why?
Like Spain is very close and we go there to eat good food.
I don't know. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah.
What is this
But
judgment?
like reaction. You know the Indian people always like this. Always. Like,
Oh, I don't.
if I ask something, always. Yeah. They like it's mean as a yes. Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Like a no?
Yeah. It's yes. Always.
When Korea, you say, come here.
Ah, yeah, it's
For me?
opposite side also.
Go away.
That's mean also. Yeah, it's like that. The same way.
So one day, there was a Korean friend in a bus, and we were waiting at the station, and she was like this. But I was confused because we were supposed to meet in the bus, and she was like, I was like, should I go away? Should I come in?
Of course, you go to the.
Confusing. Very confusing. I'm curious about Entity. Is Entity also located there?
Entity?
I heard they have a museum in Japan.
NTT Telecom.
Entity Telecom.
Ah, Entity.
You work there. You work
I
there.
used to work for Entity.
Yeah.
Oh, you changed?
Yeah, I changed.
Oh.
I'm working for the government there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, as a service delivery manager.
Uh-huh. How is it? Like better than what?
No, it's true. The income is double. I have more vacation and I have less stress.
Oh my God.
So good.
Ooh la la.
It's like
So how's it feel? Is it like
tired.
tired? Yeah, me too. Yeah. How's it feel, Lucy?
Really
Well,
good.
yeah, we are live.
Yeah.
Finally.
So happy to be here.
Yeah. And we should go to the lights on the over the street. And then go street. 루이스 사마.
루이스마.
오케이. 아리가또 고자이마스.
友達で東京に住んでるのは私だけで、3人は
はいはいはい
韓国とフランスからっていうことで。
はいはい。
好きそうですね。はい、素敵。
そうですそうです。
You understand?
리리비 도모다치네.
He is always here.
Yeah.
Đấy,
Okay.
không bao giờ lẫn.
아, 오케이. 아.
Old Japanese style.
아, yeah, yeah.
Three yukata, not
아.
wear. There is our phone. Yeah. 9 is our front desk number.
And they have some tea ceremony?
Ah, yes, but
Yeah.
yeah, at the front desk,
Mhm.
there is a schedule.
Ah,
So
yeah.
come
Downstairs.
downstairs.
Okay.
Please check.
Okay,
And
okay,
I will
okay.
tell you also.
Wow, it's
good.
very tall.
Hmm.
It's a tall bamboo.
Yes. 돌 bamboo. Yes. 코로. 예. Is it the time? 20, right? No. Yeah, same time. Okay.
Thank you. Where is mine?
9. Over there. Ah, it's a train.
Yeah,
It's a train.
train, and also you can order from here. Matcha?
Yes. Thank you. How's it?
It's very good.
Good?
But I want to taste also the cooked one. Because this is raw.
Ah, yeah.
Wow, that too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Think so.
I cannot do natto
Oh, really?
as well, yeah.
Here. Yeah. It's counting now.
Yeah. If you
Oh,
if
6.
we want this,
It's Gion actually. For me. You know, is it in Korea also we have many like a train, a sushi restaurant. I didn't know the like this. Oh. You should.
then later I
yeah.
will tell the price for
Oh,
each one.
okay. Yeah. Is it common circular system? I mean, yeah.
Payment?
The payment system? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. Now we are going to temple. Okay. Yeah. It's quite dark. Yeah.
Suddenly,
That's why maybe. Oh. It's sky tree, right?
yes.
Yeah. We can see that everywhere. Tokyo, no? Not everywhere?
No,
Oh, really?
everywhere. From Shibuya,
We can see. We cannot see.
around Asakusa area, we
Yeah.
can see.
Oh.